Okay, so this time you're gonna make a perfectly balanced logo. So we have a sketch here, and we're gonna turn this sketch into this logo. So how are we gonna do it? By magic. Of course not. We're gonna use a grid system. So in this tutorial I use CorelDraw, but if you are Illustrator user or any kind of vector-based software, you can use any kind of software for this tutorial. So here we have the sketch, and I'm just gonna do some basic settings. So I'm just lock this sketch, and I'm gonna use a rectangle shape to make a grid. I'm gonna make a grid system. Yeah, you can use a rectangle tool in any software. Just duplicate this until it fully contains the logo in sketch, like this. Then I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Just gonna group it and copy paste and turn it into 90 degrees. I'm just gonna do some adjustment here. Okay. Yeah, make sure you fully recover the sketch. Maybe make extra square out there in the outer edge. Okay, so here we are. We have a grid system. I'm just gonna start making the logo. So from here I'm gonna make it fast forward in the process of making the logo. Okay, here are our base shape of rectangle. Then yeah, you can continue watch it in a time lapse from now. So now we have a base of the logo. I'm just gonna weld it and cleaning up the nodes now. So this is a color picking. I choose red. I choose a Poppins here. Poppins semi-bold. So in making the typeface of the logo, make sure you always use the grid system. As you can see, I use this and make it double to make the typeface in a good balance with the logo. I'm just gonna do some modification to the typeface. Adjust the angle from the icon here. And there you go. From here, and this is a bonus, if you have a client and you're gonna prepare a source files for them, I'm just gonna make a ready set of logos. So here I horizontal, and this one is a vertical based logo, and then I'm just gonna make one more files for the logo only, the icon. Yeah, this is pretty much what I do when I prepare for finished product for clients. I'm just gonna make a black and white, and okay, black and white based logo. That's it. That's how we make a perfectly balanced logo with grid system. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. And thank you very much.